Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for E-TRADE Roth IRA, where we will cover the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to help you make the most of your retirement savings. First, let's start with the basics. A Roth IRA, or individual retirement account, is a type of savings account that allows you to contribute after-tax dollars, which can then grow tax-free and be withdrawn tax-free in retirement. E-TRADE is a popular online brokerage firm that offers Roth IRA accounts with competitive fees and a wide range of investment options. To get started with an ETRADE Roth IRA, you'll need to meet certain eligibility requirements, including income limits and contribution limits. For the current tax year, you can contribute to a Roth IRA if your income is below a certain threshold, and the contribution limit is a specific amount. You can check the E-TRADE website for the most up-to-date information on these limits. Once you've determined your eligibility, you can open an E-TRADE Roth IRA account online or by phone. You'll need to provide some personal and financial information, and fund your account with an initial deposit. From there, you can choose from a wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. One of the key benefits of an E-TRADE Roth IRA is the flexibility it offers. You can contribute at any time, and you can withdraw your contributions, but not your earnings, at any time without penalty. This makes it a great option for those who want to save for retirement but may need access to their money in the short term. To make the most of your E-TRADE Roth IRA, it's a good idea to set up a regular investment plan. This allows you to automatically transfer money from your checking account to your Roth IRA at regular intervals, making it easier to save consistently. You can also take advantage of dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. In terms of investment options, E-TRADE offers a wide range of choices, including index funds, actively managed funds, and individual stocks. It's a good idea to diversify your portfolio by investing in a mix of different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. You can also consider working with a financial advisor or using ETRADE's online tools to help you create a personalized investment plan. Finally, it's worth noting that E-TRADE offers a range of educational resources and tools to help you manage your Roth IRA. These include online webinars, videos, and articles, as well as a mobile app that allows you to track your account balance and investment performance on the go. By following these tips and best practices, you can make the most of your E-TRADE Roth IRA and achieve your long-term retirement savings goals. Remember to always do your research, consult with a financial advisor if needed, and stay disciplined in your investment approach. With the right strategy and a little patience, you can build a secure and prosperous retirement.